Hi there, it's Toni Kaufmann, and today I'm answering frequently asked questions about real estate. And pretty much every single buyer I have has asked me, how long does it take to buy a house? Well, normally I would have said between 2 and 3 months. But right now it's taking a little bit longer because many of our buyers are not getting the houses that they put offers on. So it may take a little bit. There's a learning curve that happens for people. Let's say you find a house that you like very much, you put your offer in and you put it in just a little bit above asking, and there are 12 other offers and somebody put it in a lot of bid above asking, and you lose out, and you might have to go through that 2, 3, 4 times until you find the house that's exactly right, and you say there's no way I'm losing it, and you're the one that puts a lot of bid above asking in your offer. So I would say give yourself between 4 and 6 months in the current climate. You could be lucky and buy a house in you could go out there, find your right house and buy it right away. And that'll take about 2 months. But right now I would say between 4 and 6 months to buy a house.